Oh my goodness, look at this kitchen. Who left all these coffee cups on the counter? Look, the milk is in the sink, and the spoon is under the table.
Relax, my love. The mess is hiding behind the counter. Maybe it will disappear by itself.
Come into the kitchen, Harold. Stop hiding behind the refrigerator.
All right. I am coming out of my hiding place. Where do we begin? Everything is everywhere. Is the coffee maker on the table or inside the pantry?
It is on the wooden table. It is next to the toaster. Look down. What is that noise?
Let me check. Oh, it is our cat. He is inside the box. He is sitting between the grocery bags.
He is sleeping under the morning sunlight. Hand me the sponge beside the sink.
Here you go. It is right beside the sink. Be careful. The floor is wet near the refrigerator. Someone spilled water on the floor.
Someone? Who was that someone, Harold? Was it you?
Well, maybe.
Look up. I put the sugar jar above the cabinet. My hand slipped. The jar fell down.
Oh dear, you have flour on your head. Flour is on your shoulders. And it is all over your shirt. You look like a mess, but cleaning together with you is always fun.
As long as we stand side-by-side, even a messy kitchen feels like a palace.
That's right. We are happy when we are together. Today we learned some useful prepositions: in, on, under, behind, next to, and between.
Don't forget to smile.
And keep learning.
See you in our next video.
Bye, everyone.